Hello guys, today I will teach in English this class to four guys also. So the purpose here is to work with four different software in a BIM Infraestrutura, and I will show you one specific workflow that is defined in this way. So the first step is to use Vinculação Composer to define pave. So you take one project as a web pave inside the airport from Brazil. So in the first step you have Vinculação Composer, and I bring some examples to show you how to define these codes. And then you build the surface existing ground. In fact, you already have this database surface from existing ground, alignment corridor inside the C3D, and then after this you extract the solids directly from corridor using PSet. It's as a demonstrate. I don't work in detail phase, just to show the general idea of this procedure. And after extract solids from these two elements, such as corridor and surface, you take in only one file, the central model from civil infrastructure, to connect inside the Navisworks. And so for this step you need to concentrate all the database in a CAD file using this two kind of solids to import the Navisworks. In parallel this, we can define the schedule, planning schedule in Microsoft project using the same name of layers from solids corridor. That means in Subassembly Composer we can define these links and points and shapes targeting in existing ground that I called TN. So this crawl point you will match with a longitudinal profile in Civil 3D, and it can define this code to use in a name of layer. So here you have inside the code shape, you have the title as pavimento 12 centimeters. So in this last point, I connect this point the same level of the existing ground that you will find inside the CV3D, and determines the value, the full value for width and for diff for these paves. So here I'm showing the 12 centimeters sem sobreposição, that means without overlap. Okay, and for these others we have 6 centimeters and 22 centimeters with and without overlap. That means when you have this example in C3D, we have the situation that can find the areas that we will take this or don't take these overlaps. These overlaps is equal 10 centimeters. So if you observe this example inside the Subassembly Composer, you have these elements, this detail that you find these overlaps. You know? In CV3D, I think it's better to show. So if I focus in a specific assembly, I have this overlap between the paves, no? And we build in this way the model. So some parts you have the overlap in an internal point and external point of this pave, and in another situation don't have this overlap. Okay, it depends on the particular situation of this project, of your project. And I have also the profile, longitudinal profile, and etc. So here I will show, for example, if I have all of the elements distributed or along of our area. So for example, if I use the resource of the software I can use this extract corridor solids. So when I click in this command, like this, click here and select any region, just to see it works. I can set up the property set directly from the Subassembly Composer. So it's one example. I can click here and I have the corridor name and the codes. And this phrase you need to match inside the layers that you need to have inside the Navisworks. But for this reason, it's very important to configure it in a right way inside the Subassembly Composer. Or for example, I have here the pavimento those 12 centimeters inside the Microsoft project online. I have the same term to combine these the works inside the Navisworks. So here I have, for example, solids 3D 1C pavimento 6 centimeters. So when I exchange in a CV3D, I have this layered name template to use. So I see how it works. Corridor name, codes, and next I can define this any description that I need. You can see the item called volume, to extract the volume directly from the solids from this subassembly. And next you can put one new file to see all of these solids extracted from the corridor. Okay, So I will not do this in this step, just this. So in this drawing, I get these solids, extract solid, and the software will process this this task. And here you have for this specific day that the team you rewrap this paving directly in field in an airport. You have these solids and the C3D you result in this title. It's very important when you be in Navisworks to combine the two titles between C3D and between C3D and Microsoft project. Okay. The other commands that you can use, very interesting inside C3D, is manipulate a property set. So I have here this menu manage, and I can use the define property set to create a new item if I need. So I already have all of these texts. That's important to create a database, and in a corridor shape information, the C3D you create inside these object types as a body, corridor, and solid 3D. And solid 3D is the final element that we extracted directly from corridor. And I have here the solid 3D volumes. Okay, but if I want to create a new element it's a very important for the BIM infrastructure, for infrastructure BIM in a database, I can create a new item. So how do you create this? I can create the item new style, and for example, I will create a new material here, and to click in this button here, and material, I put I will fill this field default, CBOQ, for example, or concrete, something like this, concrete. Okay, and I specify what type of object I can apply this. For example, if I am searching the solid 3D, I can put here, and the software you understand what's the type of object I can put this setup. So one example. I extracted these solids. Okay, so I will select this and type emode as a property, and so I select here, and I have this information is it's a database, and I create a new information. When I create a new information, I have also the concrete here for this material. Okay, so switching for the Navisworks, I will demonstrate the simulate of this schedule that I have inside the Microsoft project. In the Microsoft project, I have all of these names for you constructing the specific days. Okay, so here I have, for example, it's some tasks are parallel as long as some tasks are not parallel. Okay, in this case, I'm not have a parallel task. So I have in a sequence in a different ways. Different days. And in this case, I have parallel in the same day. Okay. So I have here configured this spreadsheet that represent the schedule, and switching the Navisworks, I can simulate this. So it's the result from the Civil 3D with pave assembled, and we can select each one and see the assembly layer defined inside the Civil 3D and inside the Microsoft project. And here we can add the file that I showed before to connect the schedule. And you have also the database, as I was showing, with the information such as code name defined inside the subassembly composer, pavimento 6 centímetros, and other information. And to play the simulate, you can use the button simulate and to play here, and we can see the pave assembly according to the dates that we define inside the planning schedule, and the days that each pave were constructed. I think that's all. I don't know if I get too clear, but I think that it's a general idea that I tried to bring you today. Okay, nice to explain you, and see you.